Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Kung Fu Panda surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Kung Fu Panda surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners again, and I'll give it another nice fold. So it kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making the nose. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come down and then up like a V. And then we're just going to bring this across for the top of the nose. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down like this in a sad face. Now for the eyes, I'm going to bring a line across here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down and then right to here. Now over here, I'm going to make the next eye, but I want it to be bigger. So I'm going to make this more of like a bigger oval shape. Now inside of here, I'm going to make a line that curves down, and then a line that curves up. And then in here, we're just going to make a circle in the middle. I'm going to put another circle inside of here with a smaller one around it, and then I'll color in this part. And that small circle will just be the reflection. We'll do that same thing here. We're just going to make a circle for the pupil, and then we'll leave a little circle on top and just color it in. Now for the spot around the eye, let's just begin by making a line that's just going to come around here. It's going to go out and then down here. And then same thing here. We're just going to curve this around and bring it to here. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come over and down. And then another one. We're going to come over and then down. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's just going to curve up. We'll leave a little space, and then we're going to bring this line down here for the side of his face. And then right here, let's make two little pointed lines and then connect it for his little hair. Now for his ears, let's make a line that's just going to curve up and then come down. And same thing over here. We're just going to curve this up and then bring it down. We'll make a little line across and then curve up. Little line across and curve up. Now starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up for the bottom of his head. And then down here, we're going to make the chin. It's going to come down, we're going to come over, and then up. Right here, we're going to make a big sad face for the big white spot on his chest. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve off for a shoulder, and then same thing here, just kind of curve off to the edge of the paper for the shoulder. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside of Po. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of Po. We got the top and bottom. So now the first thing we're going to do is let's bring this line down a little bit, and we'll bring this line down a little bit as well. Then we're going to bring this line up just right past the fold, and same thing here, just up past the fold. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a nice big smiley face shape like this. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come right up here towards the nose. Let's draw a curved line on the side right here. And then let's make this line come down on each side. Now, I'm going to leave some space, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to come right up here. Now, at the top here, let's go ahead and make some curved lines for the teeth. So we're just going to go down and up and make all these little smiley face shapes. And then right here, we'll do the same thing. Just kind of go up and down and make a bunch of these little bumps for the teeth on the bottom. Then right here, let's make his tongue by just going up and down, and then up and down. 2 bumps for the tongue. Now let's make a pair of chopsticks in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here at an angle. I'm going to just kind of curve it, make it nice and skinny, and then it's going to get bigger as it comes around, and then just connect. Then starting here, I'm going to make one that's just going to come out. We're going to curve it around and bring it back. Then we'll bring it out here, make it nice and skinny, and then come back here so it kind of lines up. Now let's make the dumpling. So I'm going to begin by making a big sad face shape like this. We're going to bring this down and up. And then I'm going to bring this one down and then up just a little bit. Make this come down and in, and then down and in. And then we'll just put a nice big smiley face shape in there and kind of make sure all these are connected. Next, I'm going to make a little line down with a little X on top of it, for the top of our dumpling. Now, we just want to make sure these lines just connect, so we just jump over the dumpling, and then we're just going to jump over the chopsticks. And then on the chopsticks, I'm just going to add a few little lines, about 4 or 5 lines on the ends here. Then we just want to connect the face, so I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to jump over the chopsticks and just connect to here. And then same thing here, we're going to bring this down and then connect to here. Then the last step is we're just going to make some little dots on here for some detail on his face, kind of like where his whiskers would be. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Po surprise fold from Kung Fu Panda. When we've got it all folded up, we've just got a nice little picture of Po's face, and then when we open it, his mouth is open and he's eating his favorite food. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.